work and created an animation that might be helpful to help explain how this treatment works. So the therapy, if it's used appropriately, targets specific areas, in particular fat cells right beneath the skin. So first off, here's the skin. You go just beneath there. There's the fat cells. The ultrasound hits the fat cells, and it begins to wiggle them and change them, and they begin to poke little holes in them as that happens, and they begin to ooze out little bits of fat. This is a lymphatic material channel. The green, it absorbs those fat waste products and carries them away. And secondly, the massager starts to irritate the area, making it easier to milk this material, this fat, out of the area through the lymphatics, thus taking tissue that looks mottled and making it very smooth no matter what part of the body is being treated. Now, before the show, Dr. Gysi started a treatment on one of her own patients, Fahima, and she's going to finish it off live for us in the studio right now.
So, you see, this is really similar to the hot stone massage, and I'm just going to move slowly on her skin. And why I like this is because you can see, Dr. Oz, I can just glide over all different kinds of contours here. I can focus around a little area in the middle, or I can glide around from side to side. So now
did you get hurt at all?
Absolutely not. It's very soothing. It feels like a hot massage, hot stone massage.
And who's not going to see results here?
People who are not going to see a result from here are the ones who have either too little fat or too thick of fat on the body.
Okay.
So if you have between about a half an inch of fat or 3 or 4 inches of fat, that would be an ideal candidate.
And why is this better at busting the fat than some of the other technology or the non-surgical procedures that are out there all the time now?
What I like this technology is that you treat a thicker area of the fat and the skin, not just a very fine little layer. So it's the thicker layer of fat, and then you see the immediate results from the lymphatic massage component of that. Also, because that's going to sweep away the liquefied fat.
Is lymphatic massage the other part of this?
Yes.
And I should just point out that I didn't recognize before the show how important the skin element was, but when you can pull the skin taut, make it tight on top of the fat, it's much less apparent to the outside viewer, which is, of course, part of the magic.
Okay, so here you can see
And this literally just shakes the area. Is that right?
You can see it pulling, actually.
Oh.
You can see how that's actually going to pull away the fat.
Suction.
Now, you mentioned $450. How many treatments on average does it take to get the results you desire?
Well, with one treatment, you can see, and we'll see when Fahima stands up, you can actually see a really nice result with one treatment, some permanent changes to the body. However, if you want to melt more fat, then you could just have more treatment sessions, and I recommend you do it about 1 week apart.
Okay. Can we look at your belly, see what kind of result we've gotten?
I'm ready.
So we took a shot earlier, Fahima. This is before she had the one treatment. And the treatment takes, what, half an hour?
About a half an hour, between 15 and 45 minutes.
So here's the shot from before. All right, let's compare it to now. Oh, my goodness.
Wow.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, my God.
Isn't that pretty cool?
See that muscle
Isn't that pretty
definition.
cool?
Oh, my God.
That is...
I'm shocked. I am so happy. This is unbelievable.
We do these shows all the time, but I never see results like this. This is... All right, I'm next.
Oh, my God. I'm so happy.
So not expecting this result, and sometimes it does take multiple treatments. You can put your shirt down. Thank you. Maybe you want to keep it up. It looks so good. Because you can get multiple treatments to see even more dramatic results, we actually collected some before and after photos from Dr. Gysi's patients to show you. Dr. Gysi, walk us through these.
This is a treatment of an abdomen. This is actually only after 2 treatments that you can see that the belly's not out as much, and you can see more muscle definition as we did with Fahima. And this is another area that my patients love, is that back roll that's below the bra fat. Yeah. This was actually achieved after 3 sessions, but a phenomenal result.
Is this typical?
Typical.
Oh, do we have a happy customer here?
I am very happy.
Okay.
I'm so happy. My pants are looser.
I love it. Now,